In page number 64, see that problem number 6, my dear students. Problem number 6, page number 64 it is. A vessel is filled with an ideal gas at a pressure of 10 atmosphere and temperature 27 degrees centigrade. Half of the mass of the gas is removed from the vessel. The temperature of the remaining gas is increased to 87 degrees centigrade. Initial temperature is 27 and final temperature is 87 degrees centigrade. Then pressure of the gas in the vessel is. So there is one vessel, in that some m mass of gas is there. Okay, now, and it is at a pressure 10 atmosphere it is given, and it is at a temperature 27 degrees centigrade it is given. Now you are heating that such that this contains only m/2 mass of the gas, and it is at a temperature 87 degrees centigrade. Then what is the pressure in it? This is our question. This is our question. That's all. What is relation between pressure, mass and temperature? We have to see. You know that PV is equal to m by m into RT. So both a vessel filled with an ideal gas at a pressure this much, whether it is a closed vessel or open vessel, volume is anyhow constant always. V is constant. Half of the mass of the gas is same gas only is escaped. Same gas. This is constant. This is constant. Then what is the relation between P, M and T? P is proportional to MT. What I want P2. Therefore, P2 by P1 is equal to M2 by M1 into T2 by T1. This is the expression. What is P1? 10 atmosphere. What is P2? I have to find it. What is M1? Let initial mass of the gas is M. इसमें से आधा गया. M/2 is escaped. What is remaining gas? Mass of remaining is equal to mass initial minus mass escaped. Mass initial is M, mass escaped is M/2. Therefore, M minus M/2. Remaining mass is M/2 you are getting. This is M/2. Initial temperature is given 27 degrees centigrade. That is nothing but 300 Kelvin it is. What is this? So 273 plus 87. This is 10. This is 1. 88, 16. This is 360 you are getting. This M and M is cancelled. P2 by 10. This 0 is 1 0 also you can cancel. 1/2. P2 is equal to 1/2 into 360 by 30. This 0 0 is also cancelled. 3 1s are 3 12s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 2 1s are 2 6s are. Therefore, P2 is equal to 6 atmosphere is your answer. इसमें किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं. The question is, a container consists m mass of gas at a temperature 27 degrees centigrade and at a pressure 10 atmosphere. If mass of the gas is increased to 87 degrees centigrade, then half of the mass of the gas is escapes from that vessel. Then what is the pressure of the remaining gas? This is our question. So ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. N I can write it as small m by capital M. In both the vessels, same gas only we have taken. The m mass is occupies the entire volume of the container. This m/2 also occupies the entire volume. Therefore, volume is constant. Whether it is an open vessel or a closed vessel, volume is always constant. So same gas, molecular weight is constant. Universal gas constant. These three are constants. Therefore, relation between pressure, mass and temperature is P proportional to MT. You want P2, then write P2 by P1, M2 by M1, T2 by T1. You know M1, you know M2, you know T1, you know T2, you know P1. Just you want to get P2, just you substitute. किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं. श्रुति दागतोड़े, any doubt मैडम?
No sir.
कॉपी करो सब लोग. कुछ भी डाउट है तो कौन भी पूछ सकते हैं. Rohit, any doubt is there? Rohit?
No, sir.
Karan?
No,
Karan?
no sir. No
Okay.
sir, no doubt.
Okay. Increased to 87 degrees centigrade means that is final temperature. Increased by 87 degree centigrade mean इधर से 87 degree centigrade increase किया. That is its meaning. समृद्धि समझ में आया मैडम?
Yes, sir.
श्रुति चांदनी लिखने के बाद बताइए मैं एक बार. मास रिमेनिंग इज इक्वल टू मास इनिशियल माइनस मास एस्केप्ड. मास रिमेनिंग आपको लिखना है तो पूरा लिखो. मास रिमेनिंग इज इक्वल टू मास इनिशियल माइनस मास एस्केप्ड. प्रतिमा कुछ भी डाउट है मैडम? प्रतिमा?
No, sir, no doubt.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Any other students, any doubt?
No, sir.
Next problem. Two identical containers connected by a fine capillary tube contains air at NTP. If one of those containers is immersed in pure water, boiling water, boiling under normal pressure, then what is the new pressure? Listen the question once again. Two identical containers connected by a fine capillary tube contain air at NTP. If one of those containers is immersed in pure water, boiling under the normal pressure, then what is the new pressure? There are two containers. Those two containers are identical containers, which are two identical containers. Their volumes are same. Identical means same in size. Two identical containers are filled with air and both are at STP initially. STP means standard temperature is 273 degrees centigrade and standard pressure is 1 atmosphere. अभी क्या किया, वो दोनों में एक वैसे ही रखा 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में. The other one is kept in the boiling water. Then what is the common pressure of the system? This is our question. These two are identical vessels. These two are identical vessels. It is given at NTP. This pressure, initial pressure in it is 1 atmosphere. Initial pressure in it is also 1 atmosphere. Initial temperature here is 0 degree centigrade, which is 273 Kelvin. And initial pressure here is, this is also 0 degree centigrade, which is 273 Kelvin. If I connect these two by means of a fine capillary tube, there is no blowing of air from one to the other because both are at same pressure. As both are at same pressure, air cannot blow from one to the other. अभी मैंने क्या किया, T1 डैश को 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ही रखा, T2 डैश को इसका टेम्परेचर फाइनल टेम्परेचर, दिस इज फाइनल टेम्परेचर ऑफ द फर्स्ट वेसल, ओके ना, दिस इज 273. So final temperature of the second one, this is under boiling water now, that is water boils at 100 degrees centigrade, which is 373 Kelvin it is. समझ में आया ना? So ideal gas equation, because what is ideal gas equation? PV by T is equal to constant. PV by T before connecting is equal to PV by T after connecting. Before connecting क्या है इधर? Pressure T1, वॉल्यूम से V1, टेम्परेचर इज T1. दूसरा का प्रेशर P2, वॉल्यूम V2, टेम्परेचर T2. अभी when they are connected, both will attain some common pressure. Now let common pressure is PC. PC, volume of the first one is V1 and it is at a temperature T1 dash. This is PC, volume is V2 by T2 dash I can take. Now you have to calculate it. Pressure, initial pressure is say 1 atmosphere it is, volume is say V it is, T is 273 it is, plus this is also 1 atmosphere, volume is V and this is also 273 it is equal to, here this is PC, V, इसका वॉल्यूम भी V है, and T1 dash, this is also 273 plus, just I have to write little bigger, more space is required to me. I want to write from here. Pressure is, initial pressure is 1 atmosphere, volume is V and this is at a temperature 273. Second vessel में initial pressure is 1 atmosphere, V2 is say its initial volume is V and this is also at same temperature 273. After they are connecting, first vessel also, second vessel also will be at common pressure, PC V by 273 plus PC V by 373, because after heating its temperature is 373 degrees, so 373 it is. Take V common and cancel in all of them. 1 by 273 plus 1 by 273, 2 into 1 by 273 it is. Here you are getting 1 by 273 plus 1 by 273, 1 by x plus 1 by x, which is 2 by x. This is equal to PC by 273 plus PC by 373. Take PC common. LCM is 273 into 373 it is. ये इस साइड गए तो 373 plus 273 you will get. This 273, this 273 is cancelled. 2 is equal to PC into 3 plus 3, 6, 7 plus 7, 14, 1. This is 646 by 376 you are getting. Therefore, PC is equal to 2 into 376 by 646 you are getting. Just you calculate it. That's enough. That's all. That is only your answer. You calculate it, my dear students. नहीं तो इन्होंने प्रेशर, इनिशियल प्रेशर, दैट आंसर इज गिवन नॉट इन एटमॉस्फियर रे. हम लोग लेना है तो ये एटमॉस्फियर भी ले सकते, नहीं तो ये 76 सेंटीमीटर में है. यू राइट दिस एज 76, दिस इज ऑल्सो यू राइट एज 76. 2 into 76 you can write this is 2 into 76 mean 2 6s are 12, 1 2 7s are 14, 15, 152 you are getting. This is 152 into 376 by 646 you are getting. This is just you calculate it. If you calculate it, you will get it as 87.76 centimeter of Hg you will get. Array, here if you keep 1 also nothing will happen. You will get answer in atmosphere you will get, but our answer is not given in atmosphere. Our answer is given in centimeter of Hg. So this is at a 1 atmosphere is nothing but 76 centimeter of Hg. You can write this as 76 centimeter of Hg. This is also 1 atmosphere only, which is also 76 centimeter of Hg. Initially both are at 76 centimeter of Hg, but if you keep this at 0 and this is at 100 degrees centigrade, then pressure will become this much, because pressure is increases. Without solving the problem, you can eliminate a few answers. What are the options you can eliminate? First option and third option you can eliminate, because first option is 76, your answer is more than 76. Third option is 57, so 1 and 3 are wrong. So among 2 and 4 you have to calculate and you have to conclude the correct answer. किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है ये प्रॉब्लम में, कॉपी करो. कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछो.
सर वो 373 होगा ना?
373 ही लिखे ना इधर. दिस इज
नहीं, उधर
सर वो 76 कैसे है आप बताएंगे?
अरे STP mean atmospheric pressure is one atmospheric pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere R, which is 76 centimeter of Hg. It is a common value. It is a common value. It is atmospheric pressure is 76 centimeter of Hg. You are reading it from the lower sections. It is the value of atmospheric pressure is 76 centimeter of Hg.
ओके सर।
इधर मैंने 10 मीटर ऑफ वाटर बोल के भी बताया, समझ में आया ना? आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड मीटर ऑफ वाटर बोल के भी बताया, एंड 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 पास्कल भी बोल बताया. प्रेशर P is equal to dg. This is 76 centimeter. Density of mercury is 13.6 gram per cc and gravity is 9.8. सब मल्टीप्लाई किए तो 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 पास्कल भी आते. You should remember this. The value of atmospheric pressure is, they are given that NTP, natural temperature and pressure. Natural temperature is 0 degree centigrade, natural pressure is 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere is nothing but 76 centimeter of Hg. Still any doubt, my dear students? Still any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, what about the temperature?
Temperature change किया ना दोनों
it
का
should be in
पहले दोनों
Kelvin.
भी, yeah, must be Kelvin. They must be in Kelvin because ideal gas equation P by capital T is equal to constant, where capital T is an absolute scale of temperature. It is not an ordinary scale. PV is equal to nRT. The T is capital T. It is not small t. In gases, the temperature must be absolute temperature. Still any doubt, my dear students?
Sir, and that
Neha
100
Jan?
degrees Celsius is the boiling water, right?
Yes, water boils mean wait. What temperature water boils? Water boils
100
at 100
degrees
degrees
Celsius.
centigrade. So that's where boiling water, उन्होंने instead of giving 100 words में बता रहे वो boiling water. It is kept it boiling water. Boiling water mean you know that water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Like that, sometimes examiner want to give the provide the data in the words. The numerical value disappear there. The numerical value will not be there. NTP is also numeric words only. It is. But इसमें numerical values है. टेम्परेचर बोले तो 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, प्रेशर बोले तो 1 एटमॉस्फेयर और 76 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ Hg. वैसे बॉइलिंग वाटर, melting ice mean it is at which temperature? Melting ice is which temperature? Subnita?
0 degree Celsius.
0 degree centigrade. Melting of ice is takes place at 0 degree centigrade. Boiling of water is takes place at 100 degree centigrade. Any doubt, my dear students?
No, sir.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Around 4 to 5 new students are there, so you have to bear another one class, because in next class I am going to complete this topic and I will start the new chapter, that is transmission of heat. Moreover, the transmission of heat you are studied in the 12th class, also very easier topic, and you will get minimum 2 questions from transmission of heat. Very lengthier chapter. Transmission of heat is a very lengthier chapter and easy chapter. एक दिन आप लोग आज and okay, तो next class भी you must bear with me. And dear students, already the complete this remaining exam schedule for this month is given to you, so which is already displayed in our group. So please आप लोग पूरा उधर syllabus भी बताया आप लोगों को, आप लोग अच्छे से plan करना है, so that you will get the maximum marks. Okay, my dear students, come to the next problem. This is problem number 8. At the top of a mountain, A thermometer reads 7 degrees centigrade and barometer reads 70 centimeter of mercury. At bottom of the mountain, the barometer reads 76 centimeter of Hg and the thermometer reads 27 degrees centigrade. The density of the air at the top of the mountain dash times the density at the bottom. You know the ideal gas equation in terms of pressure, density and temperature. Pressure, density and temperature, that is P by dt is equal to constant. P by dt at the is asking to find us what is the density of the air at the top of the mountain is that many times that of the density at the bottom. This is at top. P stands for top. P by dt, this is at the bottom. This is at bottom. Mean pressure at top, density at top, temperature at top is equal to pressure at the bottom, density at the bottom, so temperature at the bottom. Pressure at top is given in our problem, which is given as 70 centimeter of Hg, and density is given as density at the top. It is, I have to find that only. Temperature at the top is given 7 degrees centigrade. Temperature at the top 7 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 273 plus 7, 280 Kelvin it is. This is 280. Pressure at the bottom is given 76 centimeter. Density at the bottom is how many times बोल के पूछ रहे. Density at the bottom it is. Temperature at the bottom is given 20. Temperature at the bottom 27 degrees centigrade, which is nothing but 300 Kelvin. You will get this 300. That's all. This zero is cancelled. You calculate. You must calculate this. 7 ones are 7 fours are. This is 10 is there here. Okay na? But you want density at the top. Density at the top is equal to, this is 10 into 3, 300 you will get, by 4 into 76 it is, into density at the bottom. Just you calculate this value, how many times you will get. You see that this is 300 by 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2, 30. 300 by 304 you are getting. Fourth divide करो. 4 7s are 28, 20. This is 75 you will get. 4 7s are 28, 24 means 76 you are getting. You are getting this as 75 by 76 into dB. Here dB is already there. This is equal to how much? 0.75 by 76 कितने होते रहे? 0.9 something आते. 0.99 density at the bottom. This is your answer. 75 by 76, 76, 75 नहीं जाते. Point ले 750 होता. How many times it is cancels? 9 times. 76 9 6 are 54. 5 9 7 are 63 plus 5 68. 684. 9 and 10. 10 minus 4 6. 9 minus 8 1. This is also again 6. 660 you are getting. So this is 8 again 9, like that you will get. So if you round off this, you will get 0.99 you will get. 0.9876 वैसे आ जाएंगे. अब राउंड ऑफ किए तो 0.99 आ जाते वैसा. ये इतना लिखने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली ये स्टेप भी ले सकते हैं आप लोग. इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक लाइक दिस. Temperature at top is given 7 degrees centigrade. This is a capital T. It is not ordinary temperature. It is a absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. Any doubt, my dear students? मोजम कुछ भी डाउट है क्या? मोजम मुर्दुला, any doubt?
No, sir.
This type of problem given many times in the different competitive exams, my dear student. It is given in many times. In JEE, it is given twice, thrice. In NEET and AIMS, it is given once. I hope that once again it may be given such a problem. You can expect such problem once again in the NEET exam. Shall I repeat, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Next problem. My question number 9 मैं एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। अरे 10 आप लोग मेरे सामने करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम रही। इट इज 9 में बता देंगे, आप लोग करना है। लिसन केयरफुली, डोंट ट्राई टू सॉल्व नाउ ओनली, लिसन। ड्यूरिंग एन एक्सपेरिमेंट an ideal gas is found to obey an additional law, Vt is equal to constant. The gas is initially at a temperature T and pressure P. When it is heated to the temperature 2T, then what is the resulting pressure? Array, he is given relation between volume and temperature. He is asking relation between pressure and temperature. Volume temperature should be converted into pressure temperature. Vt is equal to constant. It is given on that. This is given and it is an ideal gas. As it is the ideal gas, Vt is equal to constant बोल के उन्होंने दिया, and he is asking the relation between pressure and temperature. मीन टेम्परेचर है, इसको मैं प्रेशर में कन्वर्शन करना। आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन PV is equal to nRT. Therefore, V is equal to nRT by P. nRT by P. So in place of V, you write down nRT by P into T is equal to constant. N is number of moles on heating, cooling do not change, R do not change, T into T square. Therefore, T square by P is equal to constant. Our T square is proportional to pressure. Our pressure is directly proportional to T square. ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं आप. What is asking us to find what is the final pressure? Final pressure P2 by P1. I can write it as T2 by T1 whole square. What is initial temperature? T. What is final temperature? 2T. What is initial pressure? P. What is final pressure? You have to find. This is nothing but this is 2T whole square it is. This and T is cancelled. 2 square mean 4. Therefore, P2 is equal to 2 square mean 4. 4P you will get. किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है क्या ये प्रॉब्लम में? is given relation between volume and temperature, but question में पूछ रहे pressure and temperature का relation पूछ रहे. So convert volume temperature into pressure temperature. Temperature common है, temperature को change नहीं करना. बोले तो volume को हम लोग pressure में conversion करना. You know ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. Therefore V is equal to nRT by P. In place of V I am substituting this. N is constant, R is constant. N, R are constants. Therefore, remaining what? T into T, T square by P is also constant. Or P proportional to T square or T square proportional to P, anything you can write. I want final pressure. P2 by P1 is equal to T2 by T1. Square is there, whole square. Initial temperature is something, final temperature is doubled. Initial pressure is P. What is final pressure? Any doubt, my dear students?
No, sir.
मुजम समझ में आया? मुजम जिन लोगों ने ये प्रॉब्लम कंप्लीट करते नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम लिखो। रोहिणी समझ में आ रहे मैडम? रोहिणी?
हाँ सर।
ओके ओके। श्रुति इतकाल?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there, madam?
No doubt, sir.
So in the last exam, Shruti Itkal got second rank and first rank is Subnita. Because after that one correction, again the rankings are changed, which I have intimated you already. I hope that you might be gone through that. अभी आप लोगों ने नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम 10th प्रॉब्लम करो, 9th एंड 10th ऑलमोस्ट सेम माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. 10th प्रॉब्लम करो. कौमुदी, व्हाट इज योर आंसर मैडम? कौमुदी?
Doing, sir.
प्रतीक्षा? Are you completed, madam? 10th problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got the correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, others? Srushti Chavan? Srushti Chavan?
Yes.
Any doubt, madam?
No,
आपने
sir.
10th problem किया क्या?
Yes, sir.
आंसर मिला? जो आंसर उधर दिया वो मिला, नहीं मिला?
Mila, sir.
प्राची, what about you, madam?
Sir, solving.
कंप्लीट करना जल्दी. स्नेहल नाटे?
Yes, sir.
आंसर मिला मैडम?
Yes, sir.
गुड गुड, वेरी गुड. कौमुदी, व्हाट हैपेंड?
Got, sir.
एक बार दिखाओ, वो सॉल्यूशन दिखाओ. बाय स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो एंड शो दैट सॉल्यूशन ओनली. प्राची, व्हाट अबाउट यू मैडम? Kaumudi, will you show that solution? Not showing. Subnita, are you solved this problem, madam?
Yes, sir.
Show that solution once. Good. Leave it. Okay, remove. So it is given that same question, during an experiment an ideal gas is found to obey Vp square is equal to constant. E is given relation between volume and pressure. The gas is initially at temperature T and volume V. When it expands to volume 2V, what is its temperature? He is asking relation between volume and temperature. आपके पास वॉल्यूम है, बोले तो प्रेशर को टेम्परेचर में कन्वर्शन करना. You know that PV is equal to nRT. P is equal to nRT by V. Therefore, V, this is equation 1 ले ले. From 1, V into P is equal to nRT by V, उसको स्क्वायर है, is constant. N and R anyhow constant it is. So V into T square by V square. 1V is constant. T square by V is equal to constant. Is asking us to find the final temperature. Therefore, T square is proportional to V. This is our required relation. T2 by T1 whole square is equal to V2 by V1. Initial volume is V. Final volume is 2V. Initial temperature is T. What is final temperature? I want to know that. T2 by T is equal to root 2 because it is square is there. Take square root to both these sides. Square and root this side is cancelled. Here you will get. Therefore, T2 is equal to root 2 T. This is your answer. सब लोग कॉपी करो. कुछ भी दिक्कत आई तो इसमें पूछ सकते हैं. Don't sit silently, my dear students. Vaishnavi More. Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
any doubt is there in this?
No, sir. Understood.
Okay. Vaishnavi Jadhav.
No, sir.
Vaishnavi Jadhav. Okay. Anjali, yourself.
No doubt, sir.
आप लोग यही प्रॉब्लम और एक बार करना है तब भी आपको समझ में आते. Every problem you need to solve, then only you can solve the exercise problems without watching expressions. Manoj, any doubt is there?
No, sir, no doubt.
Shall I rub it? Tejas?
Yes, sir.
क्या रे क्लासेस सुन के थक गया क्या? स्लोली बता रहे यस सर बोल के. Interest. After 10 hours also you should have the same activeness. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम रहे. सेम हम लोग ने अभी जो किया वही है इधर. एट द बॉटम ऑफ ए लेक वेयर टेम्परेचर इज 7 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, pressure is 2.8 atmosphere. An air bubble of radius 1 centimeter at the bottom rises to the surface where the temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. Radius of the air bubble at the surface is pressure, volume and temperature. It is pressure, volume and temperature, PV by T. PV by T is equal to constant. Pressure, volume, temperature at the bottom of the lake is equal to pressure, volume and temperature at the top of the lake. Pressure at bottom is given how much? At the bottom of a lake where the temperature is 7 degrees centigrade, pressure is 2.8 atmosphere. Pressure is 2.8 atmosphere. Okay na? And he is asking volume. Volume V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. V proportional to r cube लिख सकते रहे. So this is, you can write it as pressure at the bottom, radius at the bottom cube by temperature at the bottom is equal to pressure at the top, radius at the top whole cube by temperature at the top. That's all. You substitute all the values. You take this in the rough. Volume, bubble is in spherical shape. Every bubble in spherical shape. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, volume is directly proportional to r cube. The radius of the bubble at the surface will be top. Surface means top. What is this? He is asking only that. Pressure at the bottom is given 2.8 ray. Pressure at top क्या होते हैं? 1 atmosphere होते हैं. This is given as 2.8. Okay ना? Radius at the bottom is given as how many times? Radius of the bubble at the surface is and the radius is 1 centimeter. At the bottom it is 1 centimeter it is, and the temperature at the bottom is given as 7 degrees centigrade. 7 degrees centigrade means 280. Pressure at the top is 1 atmosphere. Radius at the top only I want to find. Temperature at the top is 200 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade, which is 300 Kelvin it is. This I can write it as 28 by 2800 I can write. 28 to 28 is cancelled, 2 zeros is cancelled. Therefore, radius of cube is equal to, you are getting 3. Radius at the top, 3 power 1 by 3. This is your answer. 3 power 1 by 3 centimeter it is. देखो रे 2.8 by 28 280 रे, which is nothing but 28 by 2800. These two zeros are cancelled. This 28 is cancelled. Remaining is only 3. 3 you send it to this side. RT cube mean radius at the top is equal to 3. Therefore मेरे को 3 नहीं चाहिए, mean take power of 1 by 3 both these sides. Therefore 3 power 1 by 3 centimeter is your answer. आंसर में सेंटीमीटर देना है, नहीं तो क्वेश्चन में पूछना है वो. Any doubt is there, my dear student, in this problem?
No, sir.
Pressure at the top is 1 atmospheric pressure. STP mean at the top the pressure is STP. STP mean this is given in atmosphere. You take this is also in atmosphere. This is 1 atmosphere, which is nothing but, अगर ये सेंटीमीटर में लिए तो ये भी सेंटीमीटर में ले ले, ये एटमॉस्फेयर में दिए तो ये भी एटमॉस्फेयर में ले ले, वैसा. Radius at the bottom is given 1 centimeter. What is the radius at the top? That is also in centimeter only you will get. गायत्री, समझ में आया मैडम?
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat again once more?
अरे क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया? There is one bubble ray. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया? There is one bubble. This is bottom of the lake. इसका रेडियस है 1 सेंटीमीटर दिया, ये बबल. The bubble is moving up. When it reaches the top, what is the radius? This is our question. इधर प्रेशर दिया उन्होंने 2.8 एटमॉस्फेयर बोल के उन्होंने प्रेशर दिया, इधर टेम्परेचर दिया 7 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड दिया. इधर प्रेशर है 2.8 एटमॉस्फेयर, इधर टेम्परेचर है 7 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. इधर रेडियस ऑफ द बबल दिया 1 सेंटीमीटर. जैसे बबल ऊपर जाते उसके ऊपर प्रेशर कम हो जाते, सो व्हेन टॉप को जाते ओनली एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेशर रहते. व्हाट इज प्रेशर एट हियर? प्रेशर एट हियर इज 1 एटमॉस्फेयर. वो नीड नॉट बी गिवन बिकॉज ओपन, इट इज ओपन. एंड टेम्परेचर दिया इधर टेम्परेचर कितने दिया? 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड दिया उन्होंने. व्हाट इज रेडियस एट द टॉप? दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन. यू नो दैट PV by T इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट, बट वॉल्यूम इज नथिंग बट, हमारा को रेडियस पूछ रहे. वॉल्यूम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू R क्यूब बिकॉज दिस इज अ नंबर, दिस इज अ नंबर. Therefore pressure at the bottom, radius of the bottom cube by temperature at the bottom must be equal to pressure, radius and temperature at the top. It is top means surface. बॉटम में प्रेशर क्या है उन्होंने दिया, बॉटम में रेडियस क्या है उन्होंने दिया, बॉटम में टेम्परेचर क्या है उन्होंने दिया, टॉप में टेम्परेचर क्या है उन्होंने दिया, टॉप में प्रेशर क्या है हमको मालूम है बिकॉज एट द टॉप इट इज ओपन एटमॉस्फेयर. For the open atmosphere, pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. What is the radius is asking. इसका वैल्यू हो जाते 28 by 2800. ये 28 28 कैंसिल हो गए तो 1 by 100. इसका वैल्यू होता 1 by 100. इसमें 2 zeros, इसमें 2 zeros बच गए, कैंसिल हो गए तो इधर बच गया सिर्फ 3. RT cube is equal to 3. Therefore RT is equal to this much. Still doubt is there, my dear student?
No, sir.
Shraddha. Okay. Vaishnavi?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Kaveri, yourself?
No, sir. No.
और किसी को है रे? अरे इतना लंबा करने के भी जरूरत नहीं है रे, आप लोगों को अच्छा समझने के लिए इतना 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 लिख रहे। वंस यू प्रैक्टिस ना, डायरेक्टली इधर ये स्टेप लेना है, डायरेक्टली आप लोग नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आंसर आना है, बस ओनली 2 स्टेप्स। आप अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस किए तो दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज इन योर माइंड एंड यू विल पुट ऑन द पेपर लाइक दिस, एंड बाय दिस you will get like this. That's all. Only 2 steps. You have to put only 2 steps. लास्ट एग्जाम में कौन कौन स्टूडेंट रफ के लिए 3-3, 4-4, 5 पेजेस भी यूज किया, कौन कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने? Absolutely wrong, my dear students. वैसे नहीं करना है. That's why only I have asked to submit the rough sheets. कुछ बच्चे ने रफ शीट से सबमिशन नहीं किया. नेक्स्ट टाइम रफ शीट सबमिशन नहीं करते ना, उनमें से ना एक 5 मार्क कम करके दे देंगे. Many students are not submitted rough sheet. I want to know that how many, why I am asking that rough sheet. Number 1, how many papers you are using? That is number 1. Number 2, in how many lesser steps you are doing that problem? Number 2. Number 3, how space you are utilizing? I want to see that. कुछ ना, एक ये पूरा पेपर है तो नीटली लिख रहे, वैसे लिख के जाते रहे. कभी भी पेपर को 3 इक्वल पार्ट करो, वैसा इधर करके जाओ, फिर इधर करके जाओ, फिर इधर करके जाओ. दिस इज द वे. आई एम गिविंग वन सजेशन. इफ यू कैन डू बेटर देन दैट, यू कैन सॉल्व दैट. एक पेज को 3 पार्ट्स करना है, 3 पार्ट करके इधर रफ जितना करना है करो, इधर जितना करना है करो. वैसे आप बाउंड्रीज नहीं करते हैं ना, आपने पूरा वैसे 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 लिखते. वेर यू विल गेट स्पेस फॉर अदर प्रॉब्लम्स? क्या आप लोगों को एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस देते क्या? सपोज यू आर राइटिंग ऑनलाइन एग्जाम. ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में क्या होते हैं मालूम है? यू हैव टू ब्रिंग यूर हॉल टिकट. आप हॉल टिकट लेके जाते हैं ना, वो हॉल टिकट के पीछे 1 वाइट शीट रहते. दैट 1 शीट ओनली यू हैव टू यूज एज रफ. No extra papers will be given. Your hall ticket itself is a rough sheet, because the same thing is followed for AIMS exam. अगर नीट भी अगर ऑनलाइन हो गए तो your hall ticket only will be the rough paper. Please remember that. एक साइड ऑल टिकट प्रिंट होके आते, ओनली बैक साइड मीन आपको 2 पेजेस भी नहीं मिलता. You will get only one side of 1 A4 paper. One side of only one side. उसमें ही फिजिक्स लिखना, उसमें भी केमिस्ट्री लिखना, उसमें भी बायोलॉजी लिखना. अगर बायोलॉजी में भी एक बार कौन आते कभी कभी, आप पूरा बायोलॉजी यूज करते तो वो स्पेस, देन फिजिक्स को क्या यूज करते? तो आई वांट टू नो दिस थिंग्स. So at least from next exam onwards, don't try to use more than 1 page. एंड उसको बाउंड्री कुछ भी आपको रफली डिसाइड करके आप लोग उसमें करो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रे. द गैस इन ए वेसल इज सब्जेक्टेड टू ए प्रेशर ऑफ 20 एटमॉस्फेयर एट ए टेम्परेचर 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. द प्रेशर ऑफ द गैस इन ए वेसल आफ्टर वन ऑफ द गैस इज रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम द वेसल, टेम्परेचर ऑफ remainder is raised by 50 degree centigrade. Raised by 50 degree centigrade mean initial temperature से 50 degree centigrade को गया. Then what is the pressure बोल के पूछ रहे. This is one vessel रे. ये vessel में m mass of gas is there रे. It is at which temperature? 27 degree centigrade. Okay ना? And which is at which pressure? How much pressure? 20 atmosphere. This is one vessel. In the vessel, m mass of gas 20 atmosphere and 27 degree centigrade is taken. Now its temperature is increased by 50 degree centigrade. वैसे किए तो इसमें से आधा गैस निकल गया, m/2 मास निकल गया. Then what is the same remaining gas will occupy, remaining mass is m/2 will occupy same volume. Then what is the pressure rate here? This is our question. And the temperature here it is given. So this is 27 plus 50. 71 degree centigrade it is increased by 50 degree centigrade. Mean इधर से 50 degree increase किया. Therefore final temperature is 27 plus 50, 77 degree centigrade. You know pressure, you know mass, you know temperature here. You know mass, you know temperature, you want to get the pressure. What is the ideal gas equation in terms of mass, temperature and pressure? PV is equal to m by m into RT. This is constant, same gas, this is constant, this is constant. P proportional to mt. I want P2. Same problem. P2 by P1 is equal to m2 by m1 into T2 by T1. Same problem. P2 by P1 it is. Okay now, P2. P1 is equal to how much? 20 atmosphere. Initial mass is how much? M. What is final mass? M by 2. Initial temperature is how much? 27 degrees centigrade, which is 300 Kelvin. This is how much? 77 degrees centigrade. 77 plus 273. This is 350 you are getting. This M and M is cancelled. 10 and 10 is cancelled. P2 by 2 is equal to either 1 by 2 hai re, 1 by 2 into 35 by 30. These two are also cancelled. What is P2? 35 by 30. 31s are 30. Then you will get 5. Decimal liye to 50. Again 31s are 30. You are getting 5. Decimal ले ले 50 हो गया. Again 31s are 30. इधर 20 आ गया. Decimal है, therefore 200 हो जाते. 3 6 are 180. 3 7s are 210 नहीं जाते. So 1.16. This is in atmosphere. Therefore your answer is in atmosphere only. 1.16 atmosphere. This is your answer.
Sir, 350, right, over there?
Yeah, 350 only. Yeah. This is 350 there. 350 is there. Then you will get 11.6. 350 by 30 liye to 31s are 30. Then you are getting 50. Again 31s are 30. Then you are getting 20. Decimal liye to 200. 36 is 180. 11.6 atmosphere is your answer. Yes, this is 350. अगर चाहिए तो ये 0 भी कैंसिल करो और कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाते. दैट्स अप टू यू. योर फाइनल आंसर इज 11.666 वैसे आते रहे. 11.666 वैसे ही आते रहते, which is nothing but 11.66 ही रखो, लग नहीं तो 11.7 ले लीजिए. दैट्स अप टू यू. This is remaining mass. This mass is existing mass, not removed mass. हम लोगों को half mass is removed, therefore remaining is m by 2 ले रहे. But 1/3 mass is removed. Suppose if in a problem 1/3 mass is removed, escaped. 1/3 is escaped mean how much is existed here? 2/3. 2 by 3 m लेना है. m minus m by 3. m minus m by 3. 2m by 3. In place of this you have to write 2m by 3 लेना है. This is existing mass of the gas, not removed mass. कोमल समझ में आ रहे हैं? कोमल
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहे हैं मैडम?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है.
मटेरियल नहीं है ना आपके पास. That's why you are facing problem. Yeah. और बीच में भी एक फिजिक्स क्लास मिस हो गया उस दिन. आपने जब थियरी बताया आपने अटेंड नहीं किया उस दिन.
हाँ सर.
में किसी हालत में आप लोगों को क्लास मिस नहीं होना है रे. हेडेक, स्टमक एक, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आते ही रहते रे. वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. हमारा को कुछ ना कुछ होते ही रहते. हेडेक आया बोल के वैसे, फीवरिश है बोल के वैसे सो जाना. दैट्स अ कॉमन थिंग्स ऑल दिस. समझ में आए ना? तो Sunil Gavaskar made the first century in one day when he is suffering with a fever of 102, 103 degrees centigrade. ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस होना है. मैं बैठना है, सुनना है. मैं ये नहीं सुने तो मेरे समझ में नहीं आते. वैसा घर में घर वाले भी, पेरेंट्स और फ्रेंड्स कौन भी, मत बैठो, रेस्ट ले ले बोले तो भी नहीं लेना है. क्लास को बैठना है. तभी आप डॉक्टर बन जाते हैं। डॉक्टर बनना इतना इजी नहीं है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, समझ में आया ना? यू हैव टू बेयर एवरीथिंग। दे आर ओनली फिट फॉर टू डू द डॉक्टरिज्म, अदरवाइज हाउ दे आर फिट? द पीजी स्टूडेंट्स दे विल डू 24 hours 36 hours कंटिन्यूअस ड्यूटी रे, 24 hours 36 hours ड्यूटी कैसे करते थे? 24 hours विदाउट स्लीपिंग करना ही है? नो वे। Shall I repeat, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
तेजस समझ में आया नहीं आया? तेजस?
Yes.
Okay, next problem. Problem number 13 रे. An ideal gas initially at temperature T and volume V. Its volume is increased by delta V due to an increase in temperature delta T. There is an ideal gas रे. Initially it is at a volume V and at a temperature T. अभी हम लोग ने क्या किया? उसका टेम्परेचर T से थोड़ा इंक्रीज कर दिया. ड्यू टू दैट इट्स टेम्परेचर इज व्हेन टेम्परेचर इज इंक्रीजेस बाय डेल्टा T, its volume is also increases by delta V. And in this case pressure is remains constant. Then what is the graph between delta, that is delta is given by delta V by V into delta T with the temperature? What is the graph between delta and temperature? What is the graph between delta and temperature? First of all you take ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. इसमें क्या क्या चेंज हुआ? ओनली वॉल्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर चेंज हुआ. दिस इज कांस्टेंट, दिस इज कांस्टेंट, दिस इज कांस्टेंट. changes are in volume and temperature only. Delta V by V is equal to delta T by T. इसका पावर कुछ भी नहीं है. Relative error. Change in volume by initial volume is equal to change in temperature by initial temperature. But उन्होंने delta V by V into delta T इसको वैसे लेके आओ. उन्होंने given that delta is equal to delta V by V into delta T. इधर ये डेल्टा टी को इधर लेके आओ, इधर डेल्टा टी को इधर लेके आए तो डेल्टा वी बाई वी इंटू डेल्टा टी इज इक्वल टू यू आर गेटिंग 1 by t. You are getting by, you forget about this. By this equation delta v by v into delta t is nothing but 1 by t, but this is only is given delta. Therefore delta and temperature are inversely proportional. If two quantities are inversely proportional, what type of graph you will get, my dear students? Suppose pressure and volume are inversely proportional. If pressure and volume are inversely proportional, then you will get a graph like this. Like that only, the delta and T are inversely proportional. Therefore, the graph is also inversely hyperbola you will get. Parabola you will get. Inverse parabola. Please take it. You write down this. अरे ग्राफिकल प्रॉब्लम वेरी वेरी इजी रहते रहे. इधर चेंज हो जा रहे वॉल्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर ओनली. देयर इज सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ गैस इन ए कंटेनर एट ए प्रेशर at a volume V and a temperature T. When its temperature is increased by delta T, it was found that at constant pressure its volume is increases by delta V. Then what is the graph between delta and T? This delta and T, where delta is given as delta V by V into delta T. उन्होंने ही किया वो. I know that ideal gas equation is this. इसमें pressure constant बोल के पहले ही बताया. Number of moles, mass of the gas do not change. This is also constant. Therefore, volume directly proportional to temperature. Delta V by V is equal to delta T by T. So, delta V by V into delta T, this only given as this much. This is, by this equation, delta V by V into delta T is equal to 1 by T. But this value उन्होंने delta लिया. Therefore, relation between these two is delta and temperature are inversely proportional. Now graph between two quantities which are inversely proportional is rectangular hyperbola you will get. This is your answer. Any doubt is there, my dear student?
No, sir.
Shruti Itkal, any doubt, madam?
No, sir.
Neha Jankar? नेहा,
No, sir.
Sweta Jadhav.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there, madam, in this?
No, sir.
I think one more student, Rizwan, is there today. Yeah, tell me.
So this is bit confusing.
What? Where you are confusing? You tell me. Where?
Sir, the graph.
ग्राफ रे, अभी आपको ये रिलेशन आए ना, प्रेशर वॉल्यूम, प्रेशर इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वॉल्यूम. सो प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो गई तो वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज होते. प्रेशर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वॉल्यूम बोले तो यू विल गेट ए ग्राफ लाइक दिस. इफ एनी टू क्वांटिटीज आर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल यू विल गेट ए ग्राफ लाइक दिस. Any two quantities are inversely proportional, then you will get a graph like this. Just you learn this. And the pressure and volume are inversely proportional, you will get a graph like this. Directly proportional है तो you will get a straight line. Inversely proportional है तो you will get a curve. अभी समझ में आया? Directly proportional में क्या होता है? Pressure increase होता तो volume भी increase होता. Suppose if you are getting a relation like this, when pressure increases, volume also increases. But in this case, when pressure increases, volume क्या होते? Decrease होता, because they are inversely proportional. Therefore, you will get a rectangular hyperbola. You will get any two quantities which are inversely proportional. Any two quantities which are inversely proportional. For example, I hope that all of you did the experiment determination of acceleration due to gravity at your place either in 11th class or in 12th class. Experiment किया क्या? Acceleration due to gravity आप लोग ने simple pendulum experiment किया या नहीं किया? Using
Yes, sir.
stopwatch लेके G is equal to, actually time period क्या होते रे? T is equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. Squaring both the sides, T square is equal to 4 pi square by L by G. G is equal to 4 pi square into L by T square. So L and T square are directly proportional. If you plot a graph between L and T square, you will get a straight line passing through the origin. समझ में आए ना? वैसा G and L लिए तो भी वैसे ही आते. समझ में आए ना? अभी L and T लिए तो क्या होता है? L and T लिए तो आपको वैसे आते. Because L is proportional. L proportional to T square आ रहे. L proportional to T square. Then you will get a graph like this. समझ में आए ना? ऐसा. So when two quantities are inversely proportional, any two quantities are inversely proportional, you will get a rectangular hyperbola. Please you remember that. Delta and T are inversely proportional. Therefore the graph is rectangular hyperbola. क्या मैडम समझ में आया? और भी डाउट है क्या?
Got it, sir.
प्रियंका,
Yes, sir.
are you following it, madam?
Yes, sir.
प्रियंका, okay.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है. अरे 14th प्रॉब्लम मेरे को एक डायग्राम देना है, उन्होंने डायग्राम नहीं दिया. लीव इट, प्लीज लीव द डायग्राम. विदाउट डायग्राम यू कांट टेक दिस, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज लीव इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Two gases capital A and B having same pressure P, volume V and absolute temperature T are mixed. The mixture has a volume and temperature V and T respectively. Then pressure will be. There are two containers. This is one container. It is at a volume V, which is at a pressure P and which is at a temperature T. This is also at volume V, pressure P and temperature T. ये दोनों को मिक्स किया. इसमें जो गैस है, इसमें जो गैस है, इसमें डाल दिया, इसको भी इसमें डाल दिया, दोनों को. But it is given that the volume of this container also V and the temperature is also T. Then what is the pressure of this? This is he is asking. Mean ideal gas equation it is. It is an ideal gas equation. PV by T before connecting is equal to PV by T after connecting. Before connecting individual है. Therefore P1 V1 by T1 plus P2 V2 by T2 ले सकते हैं. मैं आफ्टर कनेक्टिंग ये एक ही है. प्रेशर P, फाइनल प्रेशर final volume, final temperature. This is at a pressure P, volume V, temperature T. This is at a pressure P, volume V, temperature T. This is at temperature T. This is at volume V. What is the final pressure? PV by T plus PV by T. 2 PV by T is equal to PF by V by T. This V by T is cancelled. Therefore, final pressure is equal to 2P. This is your answer. This container has volume V, pressure P, and at a temperature T. Another container is also at volume, having same volume, same pressure, filled with the same gas, with same pressure at same temperature. Now these two are shifted into the one more container whose volume is also the temperature T. Then what is the, suppose ये ले रहे, ये 1 liter ले ले, इसका 1 liter, इसका 1 liter, 2 liter occupy करती इधर actually. He is not taken 2 liter, he is taken still 1 liter tank only. He is taken still 1 liter container only. Then what happens? Pressure is increases. Pressure is increases. How much it is increased? 2 times. I am not taking these things, my dear students. He is given 2 identical containers having same volume V, filled with the same gas at pressure P and at a temperature T. If these two are mixed, the mixture has volume V, occupies volume V, and it is at a temperature T. What is the pressure of the mixture? This is our question. Before connecting, they are separate. That's why I am taking separately. After they are connecting, only one single piece. Therefore, singly ले रहे पैसा. One more Vaishnavi is also joined. Vaishnavi, आपको समझ में आया मैडम? Vaishnavi Hambir. Any doubt is there?
No.
Okay. Dear students, with this level 2 is over. So आज आप लोगों को chemistry exam है. From 3:30 to 5 chemistry exam. Please try to join the session sharp at 3:30. 3:29 से ही बैठना है आप लोगों. 2-3 मिनट पहले ही. अगर ज्यादा लेट हो गए तो the system will not allow you to write the exam and you will only lose the time. Suppose we are given some 10 minutes time, but you don't get 10 minutes extra. Suppose if you will join it by 3:40 also, it will accept. If you come to at 3:41, it don't accept. 3:40 को ही वो stop करते. But you will lose 10 minutes by the time. You don't get extra time. मैं लेट आया बोल के सिस्टम को मालूम नहीं है तुम लेट आया या पहले आया बोल के. समझ में आया ना? So therefore please try to write the exam in proper time. आज आप लोगों को केमिस्ट्री खत्म होने के बाद फिर बायोलॉजी है. बायोलॉजी कैसे भी आप लोग अच्छा पढ़ाई करते हैं. So physics का वॉल्यूम ये level 1 questions पूरा complete करना है. The homework which I am giving is all you have to solve the level 1 problems by tomorrow, my dear students. बायोलॉजी भी पढ़ाई करो, फिजिक्स भी पढ़ाई करना है. मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया every day minimum 1 hour you have to do the physics. और 2 hours में जितना होता है उतना करो. Shall I repeat? रोहित समझ में आया रे? रोहित.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, my dear students, graphs level 3. These are very important. Very important it is. Level 3 भी बता रहे इसमें क्योंकि ये चैप्टर से आपको minimum 2 questions आने वाले हैं. The graph between the pressure and volume of a Boyle's law experiment as shown in the figure for different molecular weights. Then, which is the correct option in the given one? This is given an ideal gas equation. Boyle's law experiment it is given. This is given pressure. This is given volume. Here volume is taken. Here pressure is taken. And he got the 2 curves like this. And it is given this as M1 and he is given this as M2. He got the 2 curves like this. He got the 2 curves like this. And what he is asking us, which is M1 is more than M2 or M2 is more than M1, or what is that he is asking. The graph drawn between pressure and volume in Boyle's law experiment is shown in the figure for different molecular weights. Different molecular weights mean different gases. Oxygen, molecular weight of oxygen is constant, which is always 32 only. If you take 28, it is not an oxygen, some other thing. It is a nitrogen, you know that. So different molecular weights mean different pressures. Different molecular weights mean different gases. And he is given the graph to us, and what is relation between M1 and M2 he is asking. You know that ideal gas equation is PV is equal to M by M into RT it is. Suppose if I take same pressure, constant pressure mean this volume I will get it as V1 and this volume I will get it as V2. Same pressure mein same mass of gas you have taken. This is also same, this is also same. Therefore, volume is inversely proportional to mass. So in this, is V1 more or V2 is more? This is 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is less. V1 less than V2. But V and M are inversely proportional. V1 is less than V inversely proportional to mean M1 greater than M2. This is your answer. That's all. M1 greater than M2 or M2 less than M1. The meaning is same only. This is also I can write it as M2 less than M1. और एक बार सुनो रे, this is a very important my dear student. आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन बॉयल्स लॉ लिया उन्होंने. बॉयल्स लॉ मीन सेम कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर रहे. उन्होंने मॉलिक्यूलर वेट चेंज किया. डायरेक्टली बॉयल्स लॉ लिए तो पीवी इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. इसमें किधर भी मॉलिक्यूलर वेट नहीं आते हमको. यू डोंट गेट मॉलिक्यूलर वेट एनीवेयर इट हियर. द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म ऑफ द बॉयल्स लॉ इज दिस. देयरफॉर दिस विल नॉट हेल्पफुल टू मी. देयरफॉर आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन पीवी इज इक्वल टू एनआरटी. अभी इसमें मॉलिक्यूलर वेट आया. टेम्परेचर बॉयल्स लॉ मीन टेम्परेचर इज कांस्टेंट. दिस इज आल्सो कांस्टेंट. उन्होंने मास ऑफ द गैस के लिए बात नहीं कर रहे. सो ऑल द थ्री आर कांस्टेंट्स. So in the problem I am taking constant pressure. If you take constant pressure, for this you are getting V1, for this you are getting V2. Mean V1 is less than V2. V and M का रिलेशन क्या है, वेरिएबल का रिलेशन क्या है, हम लोग लेना है पहले. And from this V1 is less than V2, but V and M are inversely proportional. V1 is less mean M1 is more than M2. They are inversely proportional. V1 is less mean M1 is more. If it is more, then only it is less. V1 is less mean M1 is more. Therefore, M1 is more than M2 or M2 is less than M1. Any one of them is correct answer. समझ में आया नहीं आया?
Yes, sir. समझा.
Snehal, any doubt in this graph, madam?
No, sir.
ओके. सेकंड क्वेश्चन ले ले. सब ग्राफ्स है आज, पूरा ग्राफ्स ही है इधर. आज जितना ग्राफ्स होते हैं उतना ग्राफ्स करेंगे. इसमें से जनरली ग्राफिकल क्वेश्चन आने के चांस है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इन पेज नंबर 66. द ग्राफ बिटवीन pressure and volume in Boyle's law experiment is shown in the figure for different masses of same gas at same temperature. Then उन्होंने दिया ये ग्राफ बिटवीन प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम दिया इधर भी, and two graphs are given like this, and he is taken, this is M1. We cannot take all these things. He is taken as M2. The graph drawn between pressure and volume in Boyle's law experiment is shown in figure for different masses of same gas. Same gas means same molecular weight. Ideal gas equation M by M into RT. Boyle's law mean temperature is constant, this is constant, same gas, this is constant. If you take same pressure, if P is constant, then you are getting this as V1. This is you are getting as V2. V1 is less than V2. Okay. Get the relation among volume and mass, my dear students, because this is also constant. If P is constant, relation between volume and mass is volume is directly proportional to mass. From graph, V1 is less than V2 because this is 0. This is V 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter, 5 liter, like that. Therefore, this is less. V1 is less than V2. Therefore, M1 less than M2 or
Confused.
समझ में आया my dear students? Any doubt is there to anyone? क्या मेरे explanation का टाइम पर ही ये कनेक्शन गया क्या? I haven't seen this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Actually, graph is given. E is only given pressure, volume, and mass. Relation between pressure, volume, and mass is given. So, different masses of same gas. Same gas means same molecular weight. Obeying Boyle's law. This is constant. This is constant. Already these three are constant. Relation between remaining quantities is PV is proportional to M. Suppose if you take P constant, then volume and mass are directly proportional you will get. Suppose if you take pressure is constant, then you are getting a line V1 and this line is V2. You know that V1 is less than V2. If V1 is less than V2, then as they are directly proportional, M1 is less than M2 you will get. M1 is less than M2 or M2 is greater than M1, कुछ भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. So therefore among the given options, first option is correct. और कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं. Don't sit silently. All graphical problems are same type, my dear students. All graphical problems are same type. Any doubt, my dear student?
No, sir.
Okay, today's last problem, right? Problem number 3. In Boyle's law experiment, for a given gas at different temperatures, the graph drawn between the pressure and density are straight lines as shown in the figure. Then is T1 is greater than T2, T2 is greater than T1, you have to find. You want to take the graph between pressure and density, and you got the two graphs like this. And you have taken one is T1 and other is T2. One is you have taken T1 and other is taken T2. In Boyle's law experiment, for a given gas at a different temperatures, the graph drawn between the pressure and density is. You know that ideal gas equation is again PV by T is equal to constant or P by dt is equal to constant? P by dt is constant. Suppose if you take constant pressure, which is more? D1 is this, D2 is this. What is relation between D and T? At constant temperature, at constant pressure, how these two are related? Inversely proportional. PV is equal to constant, mean P and V are inversely proportional. AB is equal to constant, mean AB is, this is also constant, this is also constant. Therefore, dt is constant, mean D inversely proportional to T. D inversely proportional to T. But in our problem, D1 is less than D2. D1 is less, mean T1 is more. Therefore, T1 is more than T2, or T2 is less than T1. This is your answer. So therefore, among the given options, option 1 is correct. इसमें किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं.